The state of Maine sues a pro-life protester, claiming he is loud and disruptive. Brian Ingalls is accused of violating the rights of patients at the Portland Planned Parenthood facility. Maine's Attorney General says his loud yelling outside the building disrupts counseling sessions inside. Erin Kunzig with the Thomas More Center representing Brian Ingalls. She's Skyping with us from her Ann Arbor law office. How is Brian responding to this lawsuit?
This is a completely meritless attack on free speech based on nothing more than the fact that he was preaching from the Bible and conveying a pro-life message.
You've had run-ins with this clinic before. Can you give us a brief history of some of that?
Yes, the Thomas More Law Center has been involved in the attack on free speech in the city of Portland for quite some time now. The city of Portland tried to prevent pro-life counselors from even being on the public sidewalk in front of the Planned Parenthood clinic in Portland. And the Thomas More Law Center successfully challenged their buffer zone ordinance and received a favorable judgment from the court just in October of this year.
Do you think that pro-lifers can cross a line, that we should be aware of some of these legal ramifications if we go beyond what is legally allowed?
Well, that's certainly not the case in the case that Brian's facing right now, right? This is a politically motivated attack on pro-life speech in the city of Portland. Brian and the other counselors that are outside of the Portland Planned Parenthood abortion clinic there are peaceful and convey a peaceful pro-life message to people walking by, to people that might be considering abortion. And it's important to them that their message is peaceful and is conveyed in a way that is appealing to the people walking by.
Well, obviously, Planned Parenthood is behind the plaintiff here. What do you think is the end goal of theirs?
I think absolutely the end goal is to silence pro-life speech in Portland. They want the people that are out there trying to advocate for life, trying to provide information about abortion alternatives, they want them gone. And that's what this is about. This is about attacking a young pro-life Christian who's simply out there preaching from the Bible. That's what this lawsuit's about. The Attorney General's decided to file a lawsuit under a civil rights statute, which is very unique to have an attorney general for a state step in on nothing more than an unverified noise complaint from Planned Parenthood. So I think there's no doubt that the ultimate goal here is to try and silence the pro-life message that's being conveyed outside of the Portland Planned Parenthood.
Erin Kunzig with the Thomas More Law Center joining us. Thank you so much, Erin. We appreciate you.
Thank you.